Good late afternoon. It's Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk. Let's take a look at the ES today. ES trade today. The ES, the mini feature of the S&P index. It is 9/21/23. It is 7 o'clock and change Pacific time, PM. Wow! Automatic trading, my friends. Strong automatic trading. You can be gone just like I was today. I just got back in checking on my ES trade, okay? I traded 10 contracts on the ES, all automatic, no hands trading, okay? 10 contracts on the ES. My result, 14,275. That's 1,427 per contract on the ES, okay? Amazing trading and all automatic. Completely automatic, okay? So let's take a look at our daily candlestick. I'm going to stretch this out a little bit. I want you to get a little perspective of where we are, okay? This is where we are. This was today's candlestick. Oh, look, we closed actually in a small demand, okay? Could we bounce a little from here? Yeah, but look, I would guess the real bounce from this level was right there when we went back up here and turned back around, okay? So probably not as high. But does anyone need to know? Does anyone have to know that with automatic trading? No, but I just like to think it's interesting in the market, and you can see where we are right now. And this is a line that I've had in the market for a while, and we closed right on it, okay? But look, much more lines down below and even one up above still, okay? So we'll see what happens with that. But what does that have to do with automatic trading? Nothing, thank God. And take a look at how dramatic it looks in the smaller view, okay? So this is our daily candlestick. That was it today. And this is our fresh one coming up. Once again, 7 o'clock in the evening, okay? Automatic trading. Don't have to be here the whole time. First of all, how did we do it, okay? 14,275, 10 contracts on the ES, all automatic. How did I do it? Right here, okay, fire close. That means it was still trading all the way right to the end of the market. Boom, still trading, right? Automatic trading took itself out automatically right at the end of the market with all the volume that you see here out with the rest of the pros, okay? All right, so let's say goodbye to this daily candlestick and let's scroll back and let's look at the trades now, okay? We're going to look at the trades. We took 3 trades, all right? We took 1 bad trade and 2 good trades. There you can see right there. That was the first trade was a bad trade. We went long last night. That was bad, right? It stopped out. Then what happened? The algo went short. You can see that was a good trade. Eventually coming all the way to target with price bouncing all around. Yes, price roars like a lion, right? But then finally ending in a target and then going short again. Was that the best short? Maybe not. But look, didn't hit our stop. Printed against us, but didn't hit our stop. And then came down and even more right there. Went short. The last 45 minutes of the market went short again. So out of 3 trades, 2 were good, okay? Automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.